Hey there guys, in this video we are going to show you how to turn off time or timer in chess.com. Now of course you need to be signed into your account, and once you're logged in and you are in the home page, you want to click on play game or play online most specifically. So click pay online. There you go. And here you're going to see 10-minute rapid here on top of start game on your somewhat right hand side. So you want to click on this. So it's going to show you a drop down like so. And you want to click more time controls again like so. So the thing about chess.com is you really can't turn off the timer per se, but you can actually choose a longer turn. So you need to do the daily thing, right? Select the amount of time each player has to make a move. This is per move. You can do 1 day, right? Or at most you can actually do 14 days or 2 weeks. So that's as far as it goes when it comes to turning off the time or just delaying however long you want to delay your turn in chess.com. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.